This is a video on how to properly fill out an equipment inspection form and submit a repair to the mechanics. So from your home screen, you'll see on the bottom, there's different tabs: the home, forms, resources, workers, chat, select forms. The one we need to fill out is daily equipment inspection SRC, right there in the middle of the screen. Select it, select new. Make sure your information at the top is correct area. The Salt Lake area is 101. Then you fill it out as needed. So we're going to use a 966 loader in this instance. 31, 41, 25. The hour meter on this, 13. Your job number that it's on, this one happens to be at Neron. It is 6125. Select your name. Then you'll see down here the tabs for check fluids and inspect. So you'll open check fluids. You'll go through it and check it. Make sure you check it. Don't just check it off. Physically check it. Just don't assume it's okay because it ran the other day. When you get to inspect, same thing. Make sure you inspect everything. Don't just assume it's okay. Now, if you get something that does not pass inspection, so there's a problem that needs attention from the mechanics, you would flag it in the appropriate category that it goes to. In this instance, for this loader, it's having emissions concerns, and there's not an emissions category. So we're going to put that in comments and concerns. This loader won't regen. Okay, so now to send that to the mechanics, you'll see on that line, as well as all these other ones, there's a little flag icon. So you'll select the flag, and it'll bring you to the shop repair request sheet. The one we need to send it to is the West Valley Shop, 701. Second one up from the bottom. You'll select it, and then it'll bring you to this form. So this is the sub form of the equipment inspection form. This is the only one the mechanics will see. So it will ask you a lot of the same questions again. There's only a few important differences. The first difference is assigned to worker. You don't assign it to a worker, you assign it to the shop. The fastest way to find the shop is look up the area code. 701. West Valley Shop, select it. Due date, always select today. Equipment number. Location of equipment. The job is Wallace Stegner. Same thing in this section. Don't assign it to a worker. Everything on this form gets assigned to the shop. Comments from driver. Same thing. Loader will not regen. Just throwing emissions fault code. All right. So you'll also see there on that same line there's a picture icon or a camera, picture of a camera. You can take a picture of whatever said problem is, whether it be an oil leak or a broken line or something that's hard to explain. You can tap on that and take a picture of it and attach it to this document, and the mechanics will get the picture. That way they can see exactly what you're talking about if it's a little bit hard to explain. You don't need to worry about anything for mechanics review. And in the bottom, you'll click the blue button, Save and Return to Form. So that brings you back over here to your original form. And you'll see now that the flag is highlighted. So that means it's been properly flagged. And when you're done, it'll send it to the mechanics. Loader's been greased. We have looked at it. We have reported problems. You don't have to do anything with the maintenance department. Then you click Sign and Save. Save and close. Now your form's all filled out. And you'll see up in the top right corner, there's a little arrow with a line underneath it. That's the upload button. So select the upload button, and it'll bring you to here. If it brings you to this page, and it has your form all filled out, it's good. It's been sent to the mechanics, and he has it. If it does not take you to this page, and it takes you to a page that says your forms will be ready to view shortly, in order to get it sent off to the mechanics, you'll have to go back to your home page. Down underneath Account, you'll see where it says Sync. Select Sync, and it'll say Items Pending to Upload. It'll have a list of items there if it did not send it. All you have to do, click Sync Now, and it'll send them out. It's all done.